Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we will explore science with the help of observation. Our first unit is related to living things. What are the living things? The things that are alive, that have life. First we will study what is environment. Environment is our surrounding, and what makes our environment living and non-living thing. Plants makes our environment, animals makes our environment, human being makes our environment, and all the surrounding thing. Can be land, can be water, can be air, can be rocks. Okay, human and the environment. We interact with the environment. What makes our environment? Look at this picture. Here are the living as well as non-living thing. Non-living things are like the soil, water, sun, mountains, and living things are plants, animals, sea animal or water animal, and human being. Look at it. Here we can study that components of the environment. Some are the natural components of environment, that are the plants and animals and land and soil and rocks and all the living things, and human made environment, human made material, that are all the materials that are made by the human being, like the houses, like the bridges, like the parks, factories, or anything else. And human make this environment very interactive. In our environment, two types of things are here. Living things like plant, animal, bacteria are living things, fungus are living things, and protists are living things, and non-living things are water, soil, air, minerals, and light. Now again observe the living thing, that living things help us to make some man-made things or non-living things. For example, animals provide us skin, or we can say leather, and we made different things. Soil provide us rocks and sand and soil, and we make different things. And plant provide us log as well as flowers, or as well as fruit, and we make different things. And metals are inside the soil, and we make different different things, like car, like different type of pots, pans. Here we can observe that living things, all the things that are alive, that have life, that can move with their own, that can breathe, that can respire, that can eat, drink, excrete, and all the non-living things, they are made by the human being, and they need some mechanical power to move them. That we move, they cannot move with their own. We allow them to move. We carry them from one place to another. Here another example of living and non-living things. We can easily, non-living things are not alive, living things have life. How do living and non-living things interact? That with the help of non-living things, for example sun, for example soil provide us plant, okay, and on the plant, animals, human beings, sea life, they depend on it. Sun provide us heat and vitamin D, that is helpful for our growth. And water is also non-living thing, and water is life, as we know. Okay, in this manner The non-living things, they interact with the living things, or they provide to they are helpful for the living things. Look at it, look at this. We are dependent on the soil. Why? Because plants growth is dependent on the soil. Here are different this is our earth, and it is made up of water and land, and in different areas of the world we can see water as well as plants as well as animal and human beings. They make the environment, and they are dependent on each other. They are helpful on each other. They make a food chain. Whenever we diminish one of the animal, the whole chain will be diminished. The whole animals will be affected. Okay. Next we will study that where do we live and what is the name of that place. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.